ahead, 1/3.
All ahead, 1/3.
Stand by to dive.
Loading station.
Pressure in the boat. Plug the main ballast tanks. Let's take it down. Dive. Dive. Take it out easy. Catcher at 10 fathoms. Steer 30 degrees. All in. Steady as she goes. G'day. This is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you all. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres. No worries. Take it down fast indeed. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80.
Level off and hold 80 fathoms. Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes. The fish world has always been considered a silent habitat. But now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Where are you? Too deep overboard. I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great. There's so much to know. I'm quarter floors. It's my don't worry. Just keep right over all the way.
Let's go! Follow me!
Captain, we're approaching the EAC.
Hold her steady, take her into the current. All head standard.
Aye, aye, sir.
The powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Welcome
to the EAC!
mini marlin.
We're gonna hit the
Nemo! This is not funny, and I know funny. I'm a clownfish. Nemo!
It's a big sunken butt.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help. Oh, Mario!
It's Nemo!
Where?
No, that's why I'm trying to find my son Nemo. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember very well.
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like he can be smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
See who?
Don't worry, I'm not going to eat you. All at once.
Remember the pledge?
I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You wouldn't want one of these balloons.
Secure station.
Hold steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead, full. I don't know. Race you there. Okay, go. Jojo.
Dory? Dory?
Wait,
What?
Jojo. Reading lines.
Something touched me!
That was me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anything. It's me.
Do I know?
Dory!
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too.
What's that? It's like...
Oh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. And I'm thinking
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish! Stop playing games!
Come on, it's fun.
Let's go!
I love parties. I found the hot tub.
It's not about finding hot tubs. It's about finding Nemo! Nemo, I found you!
Confirm that.
Aye, aye, Captain.
We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us and have a top day.